So hello, karon masolve na ta og problem electromagnetic. So man siya atong problem. Conductor 50 centimeter in length moves at an angle of 30 degree to the direction of a magnetic field with a velocity of 100 centimeter per second. If the field has a flux density of 2 Wb per meter squared, calculate the EMF induced in it. So, ang atong formula na gamiton is E is equals to B LV sine theta. So, nganong sin theta man? Sin theta atong gigamit kay magnetic field man. So, kung magnetic field man ang atong gipangita, so sin y means sin theta. So, atong given ani nga problem is ang given ani nga problem na atay B is equals to WB per meter squared. Then length niya is equals to 50 centimeter. Centimeter or equals to 0.5 meter. And then ang atong velocity is equals to 100 centimeter per second. Per second or equal siya sa 1 meter per second. Ato i-convert ang tanan unit into meter kay meter man atong B. So siya na equation nato siya i-substitute. So natay 2 times 0.5 times 1 sine then 30 degree sine 30. So ang iyang so hindi tayo. So ang iyang final answer is 0.5 volts. Kung ato na siya i-calculate, yung final answer is 0.5 volts. So that's all. Thank you.